my eyes with torchlight of knowledge. Jnananjana Saka. It's Jnana. It's question of Jnana, Tattva Jnana. Do you understand? This question of Jnana means knowledge. It's Tattva Jnana. Do you understand? Open my eyes so I can see Adya Jnana Tattva, that absolute truth Krishna. He is my eye opener. Do you understand? This is what it says. He has to surrender and lotus feet of that Guru, humbly listen, serve that Guru, inquire humbly, and out of mercy that Guru imparts a Tattva Jnana, and by his mercy you can receive it, have it. Then you understand that I am the servant of Krishna. I have to serve Krishna. Then you render service under guidance of Krishna. That means you become bhakta, devotee. Then you have right now. You have a right to serve Krishna. Otherwise you have no right. That we say. That we say. Then understands that Krishna is my eternal master. I am his eternal servant. Then he sees Krishna everywhere. Not only his beautiful form, his transcendental leelas manifest before his eyes. Then he makes more and more advancement. Those who have not received such Tattva Jnana, they are not endowed with this vision, perfect vision, with which they can see that absolute truth. So their activities are, what do you say, like blank fire. Blank fire. Do you understand? Panka was blank fire. Do you understand? Blank fire. Do you understand? Blank fire. Panka was. They are blind persons. Isn't it? Andho. Because they have not been endowed with perfect vision, they are blind. So their activities are blank fire, ineffective. Do you understand? One was received Tattva Jnana through the Acharya, Guru, by his mercy, is fixed in this level of Tattva Jnana, and they understand that I am eternal servant of Krishna and they are engaged in eternal loving service of Krishna. His activities are perfect. He is not blind. He is now endowed with perfect vision, and he sees the Adya Jnana Tattva, the absolute truth Krishna, everywhere. He is there in him, in me. So why there will be fighting? Why there will be quarreling? Why there will be enviousness? Why there will be rivalry? He sees and knows that Krishna is only enjoyer and not enjoyer. Why there will be this desire of enjoyment? No, it's completely gone. When it is completely gone, that means, in other words, the ignorance is completely destroyed, which is the seed of ignorance, and this rivalry, ignorance, avidya. So it is completely gone. Then this is stopped. Prabhupada Maharaj said this thing. He says this thing. The fighting between demons and demigods is perpetual. It cannot be stopped unless intelligent person both sides takes to Krishna consciousness. Do you understand? This one line, one sentence he says. And this is the explanation. Do you understand? What Prabhupada Maharaj said needs further explanation. Isn't it? Oh, everything is there, we know. What do you know? It needs further explanation, very deep explanation, deep purport. So your activities are blank fire. It's all blank fire. Without effect, no effect. Because you are not situated in the level of Tattva Jnana. So activities are blank fire. So we have this Nama Tattva also, as we have Isha Tattva, Jiva Tattva, Shakti Tattva, Maya Tattva, Nam Tattva. Especially in Kali Yuga, Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar. In Kali Yuga there is only one incarnation, that is Nama incarnation, name incarnation of Krishna, no other incarnation. Name is not different from Krishna. Do you understand? The name of Krishna is not different from Krishna. Therefore, Harinam Chintamani, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is known as Seventh Goswami, says this thing. Ato yevo namo matro Vaishnaviro dharmo. Ato namo matro Vaishnaviro dharmo. Nami prasphutito huye rupa guna karma. Nami prasphutito rupa guna karma. Krishnero samagro lila nami vidyamano. Krishnero samagro lila nami vidyamano. Namo se parama tattva tomaro vidano. Namo se parama tattva tomaro vidano. Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Harinam Chintamani. Ateva nama matra Vaishnava dharma. So one really Vaishnava is completely surrendered unto the holy name of Krishna. Nam matra. Name prashrita hue rupa guna karma. If you really chant in pure name, not different Krishna, then all beautiful form of Krishna will manifest before you. Not only beautiful form, all attributes, qualities, transcendent qualities, all transcendental leelas will manifest before you. Everything is there in name. Krishna samagro leela nami vidyaman namase parama tattva tama. The Nam is also supreme truth. Parama tattva. All the transcendental leelas of Krishna are there in the holy name of Krishna. Do you understand? Huh? That is our tattva. Do you understand me? So when achieves the tattva jnana, realizes it, and is fixed on this level of tattva jnana, he sees, he develops equal vision, he sees everything equal. He may, apparently, externally, he may be there in heaven or hell or in Brahma Jyoti, but he sees equal. Because he is just completely taken shelter at the lotus feet of Lord Narayana or Krishna.